everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my May favourites. I missed last month's favourites because I was away for a bit of time. Thought I was going to do like a short and end up never got around to doing it, but nevertheless I have some really good products here to share with you that I've been using for a while now, and some new bits as well that have become my favourite products as well. So before I jump into it, if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button down below, click the bell so that you get notified of all my future videos, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, the first thing I want to share with you is this absolutely stunning jewellery piece. This is from the brand She Said Yes. They reached out to me to choose a ring of my choice, and I chose this absolutely stunning ring. This is the Always and Only 2-carat oval cut stone engagement ring. The design of this is so beautiful, it's so classy. It has like this crown like shape, and the primary stone here is a 2-carat oval cut lab grown white diamond, and then if you can see there are smaller stones around the main, which gives it this crown like design, and these stones are also white lab grown, just in a smaller size. And what I really love about the brand She Said Yes is you can really customize their rings to your preferred style. So like if you like this type of ring, something quite elegant, classy, quite sophisticated, but maybe prefer a different type of gold, then you can swap this out for white gold. They do it in rose gold, they also do it in platinum, or you can keep it in this gold. So this is 10-carat gold, but if you prefer 14-carat or 24-carat, you can also change that, and you can actually change the shape of the stone. So like if you like a heart shape, a square shape, a more rounded shape, you can actually change that also, and you can also change the colour of this stone. So like the primary stone here, this is a cubic zirconia, and this is in a white colour. They also have it in many other colours, including granite red, amethyst purple, aquamarina blue, emerald green, there's pink, there's blue sapphire. There's so many different colours for the primary stone, and you can swap out the smaller stones as well to any colours in the cubic zirconia. This is just a timeless classic ring. You cannot go wrong with this. It's simple, it's elegant, it has a real regal feel to it. If I was getting engaged, this would be the engagement ring that I would definitely want. So if you or your partner are looking for an engagement ring, then definitely check out She Said Yes. There's so many stunning pieces on there, so many exquisite designs you can really customize. You can engrave the pieces, and the ring comes in this really beautiful padded leather with a beautiful velvet interior. Everything comes beautifully packaged. Your ring comes in this gorgeous gift box, and then this padded case inside, as well as a canvas bag to keep it all really nice. They have so many other jewellery pieces on their website, including promise rings, wedding rings, they have earrings, they have necklaces, they have pearl jewellery. They have so many beautiful exquisite pieces. They kindly gave me a discount code, which I will share here on the screen with you, so make sure to use that if you want to save yourself or your partner money on a gorgeous engagement ring. I'm in absolute love with this ring. Like, I am so grateful that they sent this over to me. Like, it is stunning, and I cannot wait to wear this more. I'm not engaged yet, but wearing a piece like this on my finger just brings me so much joy, and I can't wait for that day to come. Okay, so now let's get into the makeup and beauty products that I've been loving this past month. First makeup product I've been loving is the new Rare Beauty True to Myself foundation. This is a natural matte long wear foundation. It's self-priming and it's also self-setting. It has a really gorgeous natural matte finish to it. It really smooths and blurs the skin. It gives you such perfected looking skin. It's what I'm wearing on my face today. It has an airy whipped mousse like formula, and it just blends so seamlessly onto the face. There are so many shades of this available. There's 48 shades, and I use the shade number 15 light medium neutral, and it is a really nice neutral undertone. And yeah, I just love the colour, love the finish of this. I love how lightweight it is. I also really love the packaging too. So yeah, so far so good with this. I've been using this over the past week or so, and I had to add it into my favourites because like I know this is going to become probably one of my favourite foundations that I have tried so far this year. And alongside the foundation, I've been using their bronzer quite a bit, and this is the Soft Matte Powder Bronzer. This is a really nice neutral colour bronzer. I just love the shade of this. This is what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. It has a really smooth finish to it. I just love the colour of it as well. And yeah, like these Rare Beauty products are probably like my 2 favourite products from Rare Beauty. Like I'm loving these. So speaking of bronzer, I've also been using the Say Super Suede Radiant Baked Bronzer. So this is different to the Rare Beauty one. This one is more of a radiant glowy bronzer that just looks stunning on the cheeks. Also, I've been wearing this for not as long as the Rare Beauty one, because I haven't had it as long as the Rare Beauty one, but this one I think is absolutely stunning. And when I was away for over a month there, I was using this every single day basically, done my makeup. This is a perfect summery radiant bronzer. The undertone of this is perfect as well. It's a true neutral undertone, and as you can see from the pan, there is a baked formula, and this just applies so seamlessly. It just blends out beautifully onto the cheeks, no harsh lines. And as you can see the difference there in the 2 bronzers, the Say one's a little bit lighter in colour because it is this baked formula, but it's a true neutral undertone. The one from Rare Beauty also is, for me, quite a neutral undertone, but as you can see it's a little bit deeper in tone. Both of them are stunning and they're very different from each other. So like if you like a radiant finish, give the Say one a go, or if you like a matte finish, then give the Rare Beauty one a go. I also want to give another shout out to this amazing brush from Makeup by Mario. So this is their F4 brush. It's dual-sided, as you can see, and this is just absolutely perfect for liquids and creams. So I use this bigger side to blend in my foundation. So it has really soft bristles on it and has this really nice angle to it that makes it so easy to blend out your foundation, and it gives you the most seamless finish. And then the smaller side I like to use for cream blush. Again, it has this angle to it that just hits the apples of your cheekbones really nicely, and you can blend up to the temples. Just a really great shape. One of the best makeup brushes that I have ever owned. Like, it's just perfect. Okay, so the next thing that I've been loving is this deodorant from the brand Gem. So this is a really kind of viral, hyped up deodorant, and for good reason. So there are many different kind of scents of this available, but my favourite is actually vanilla sugar. It's also quite hydrating and nourishing for your armpits. So it has hyaluronic acid, it has vitamin E and shea butter in it, so it keeps you really kind of fresh under your armpits for such a long time. The main thing that I absolutely love about this is it doesn't make me itchy. There are so many deodorants out there that really make me itchy, like when I spray my underarms, and especially after shaving, they can really make me feel itchy, and all I want to do is just wash, you know, my deodorant off again or put aloe vera on to calm down the itchiness, but this doesn't do that. So I love the smell of this, I love the length of sweat protection this gives me, and I also love that it's very gentle on my skin. Now I've also rediscovered this mascara from Too Faced. This is their Better Than Sex mascara, and I have loved this for many years. It's probably the only high-end mascara that I will continue to repurchase. I love the bristles on this like wand. This really reminds me of my favourite drugstore mascara, which is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So the bristles and the brush is basically the exact same as the L'Oreal one. This, however, I feel performs just a little bit better than the Lash Paradise. Yeah, I just rediscovered it because I have a couple little minis. I took one away with me, and yeah, I just fell back in love with this again. Okay, the next thing I've been loving are my Vivaia Yancy Sneakerinas. They're so good for spring. They're so lightweight. They're very comfortable, and I've been wearing these a lot the past month and a bit when I've been abroad, because they're just so perfect, so comfortable, and they don't rub your ankle because they have like this almost like ballerina type of elasticated back on them there. It just makes it so comfortable for your heel and your ankle. They're in a nice neutral colour which goes with a lot of outfits. I need to give them a little clean actually because I'm wearing them a lot. They're honestly so amazing. If you're looking for a nice pair of trainers for this springtime, or looking for a good kind of pair of trainers for travelling, or if you like wearing trainers with dresses, then these are the perfect little shoes because they're honestly so comfortable. They come with 2 different types of laces, as you can see there. There's a ribbon style, there's this white kind of ribbed style. I've been wearing them a ton lately, and I'm going to be wearing them a lot more over the summertime when I'm travelling again. I really love these. They're superb little trainers. That is everything for my May favourites. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. Everything that I have mentioned I will link below in the description box for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you all very soon in my next video. Bye!